All glories to our spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Mahamandaleshwar Mahant, Sri Krishna Balaram Swami Prabhupada. Gaura Hari! Welcome to Devotional Dishes, from Prasādaṁ to perfection, where we will show you how delicious pure vegetarian food can be. On today's episode, we will show you a special way how to make Vedic Khicḍī. This is a quick and one-pot Indian meal. Khicḍī is an inexpensive dish that is very satisfying and healthy. Our spiritual master suggested to have Khicḍī for breakfast since it is a very light meal. Most of the time, if a doctor has a patient with a specific diet, Khicḍī is always on the menu. Coming back how to make Vedic Khicḍī. It can be made with vegetables, but here at Devotional Dishes, we have given it our own twist and we will keep it simple, healthy and tasty. So are you ready? Let's go to the kitchen. The needed ingredients to make Vedic Khicḍī are 6 cups of water, 125 ml of moong dal, 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 125 ml of uncooked rice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 2 bay leaves, 2 chilies, red chilies, salt as per taste, sugar as per taste. Heat the sunflower oil in the pan on a medium heated flame. When the sunflower oil is warm, add the grated red chilies, cumin seeds, bay leaves and grated ginger and roast this lightly. When they are lightly brown and roasted, add the moong dal. You have to roast the dal for 5 minutes and keep stirring, otherwise the dal will stick to the pan. After this, put the other spices and the rice into this and mix these together for 5 minutes more till the rice and dal are combined together with the spices. Now, add the 6 cups of water with salt and sugar and cover this on a medium-low flame for 20 minutes until the rice and dal are fully cooked. If you are adding vegetables, do this at the same time when you put water into the pan. If you like your khicḍī in the dry way, just put some less water into it. Always remember to stir in between. After 20 minutes, if the rice and dal are cooked and the added vegetables in case you did this, then your khichdi is ready. Put this into a small bowl and offer it to Lord Krishna. For offering food, you can watch our first episode where we explain how to do this. Jana's tip of the day. There are a lot of different ways how to make Vedic Khicḍī. For instance, with or without vegetables. You can also replace the moong dal and replace this with green lentil dal, yellow lentil dal or black lentil dal, etc. Don't use red lentil dal because they are not bona fide. Red lentil dal can cause health problems, so it's better to avoid these. Before entering the kitchen, you should be clean, that is bathed or well washed. The kitchen and utensils should also be clean. Always wash your hands before starting to prepare quality food. No portion of cooked or uncooked food should be tasted by you or anyone else before offering to Lord Krishna. If the mouth or nose is touched, wash your hands before continuing the cooking process. Intoxicants such as tea, coffee, and alcohol, and any kind of meat products, fish, and egg should be avoided as far as possible. According to the Vedic scriptures, such things create clouds of sin within the mind that lead the pure soul to degradation. Even among vegetables, onion, garlic, mushroom, turnip, beetroot and carrot should not be used because they are considered to be unbona fide due to their nature and qualities. Thus, they are not offerable to Lord Krishna. Following such rules for perfect cooking will bring you to the standard of real and perfect health. The Vedic medical science of herbs states, "Let food be your medicine and medicine be your food." This phrase becomes reality by following such standardized cooking guidelines. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Devotional Dishes. Please feel free to leave all your feedback about our video, or if you have requests for special recipes in the comment section below. Devotional Dishes uploads a new video every second and fourth Saturday of the month. We hope you join us for our next video. Till then, be healthy, be happy, stay tuned and chant the Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified when the next video is online. Jaya Śrī Rādhe.